In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a design in Desktop app in Canva. Moving a design from your browser into the Desktop app is quick, and doing it the right way ensures everything opens smoothly and stays in sync. First, make sure the Canva Desktop app is already installed on your computer and that you're signed into your Canva account within that app. A simple way to confirm is to open the app once, check that you're logged in, and then minimize it so it's ready in the background. This small check helps you avoid unexpected login prompts later and keeps the transition seamless. Next, head to your project in Canva in your web browser. Open the exact design you want to continue working on. Give it a moment to save any recent edits. Look for the saved status near the top. At the top left of the Canva editor, click File. In the File menu, click the option that says Open in Desktop App. This option is designed to hand off your current design to the desktop application without changing anything in your layout or content. When you click it, your browser may ask for permission to open the Canva app. Choose Open, Allow, or Continue, depending on the prompt you see. The desktop app will launch and begin loading your design. Simply wait while it opens. Load time can vary based on your internet connection and the size of your design. It's best not to close the browser tab until you see the design fully open in the app. Once it appears in the desktop app, you'll be right where you left off in the browser. From here, keep editing as usual. Many people prefer the desktop app because it runs in a dedicated window, helps reduce browser tab clutter, and supports system-level shortcuts that can speed up your workflow. Your changes continue to save to the cloud, so everything stays updated across devices. If the design doesn't open immediately, double-check that the desktop app is installed and signed into the same Canva account as your browser. Also, make sure your browser isn't blocking external app launches. Refreshing the browser tab and repeating File, then Open in Desktop app often resolves minor hiccups. If the option isn't visible, updating your browser and the Canva app can help. And if the design looks out of date for a moment, give it a few seconds to sync. Avoid editing in both places at once to prevent confusion. That's all there is to it. Confirm the desktop app is ready and you're signed in. Open your design in the browser, click File, choose Open in Desktop app, and let it launch. Enjoy a focused, streamlined editing experience in the Canva desktop app.